大家好, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we talked about why Chinese people don't say 你好 when greeting. In this video, we'll learn better ways to say goodbye. I'm sure you all know 再见, which is what every Chinese textbook is teaching you. But same as 你好, it is also too formal and impersonal. Instead, you might want to use báibái. And this is what you will hear from Chinese 20-somethings, 30-somethings.
好好，拜拜。
那我先走了。
好的，拜拜，拜拜。
If you're leaving and saying goodbye to people who are staying somewhere, you can say, 那我先走了 I'm taking off.
行，那我先走了啊，改天再来找你玩。
那没事，我先走了。
今天谢谢你了，没事，那我先走了，拜拜。If you're staying and saying goodbye to people who are leaving, you can say 慢走, which literally means leave slowly, take your time leaving. If it is happening late in the evening or before the weekend, you can also say 好好休息, have a good rest.
好嘞，
谢谢啊，
慢走啊。
您慢走。
留步，多休息。
Depending on the context, you can also say something 见, like 明天见 see you tomorrow, or 下次见 see you next time, or 下次再约 see you again next time, let's meet again. That was it for Chinese goodbyes. Please comment below what phrases were new for you, or maybe you remember something that I have missed. Anyway, subscribe to the channel. I will be looking forward to see you in the next video. 下次见 bye bye.